Now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Wednesday. The probability for widespread hazardous weather is low. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed, but please send in any reports you may have. This is NOAA All Hazards radio station KZZ69 in Beatrice, Nebraska. The current time is 11:16 a.m. Central Standard Time.
This is the National Weather Service in Valley, Nebraska. The preceding audio signals and alarm tones activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm system are conducted each Wednesday at 11. Impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm system are conducted each Wednesday at 11:15 a.m., which was postponed. Emergency broadcast is about to be made. Weather radios with the alarm tone feature are available.
Visit weather.gov for the latest weather.